Hello, Internet and dear viewers. In last session, we talked about parts of speech, and today we are going to talk about what? Noun. We will study what noun is, what are the terms of that, and what are the kinds of noun. One by one, you will have a good understanding of all these things. You will have all information about noun and its usage. First of all, what is noun? Noun is used to name a person, place, or things. Thing. Noun is used to name a person, place, or thing. Okay, now we will know what actually noun is. Whenever we have an existing object in this world, each and every one of that has their own name, which is noun for that. For example, we have a city, its name is Kabul. The next one is Islamabad. We have Trump. Sorry. We have Trump. It's the name of person. This is the name of place or city. This is also the name of place. The next one is, for example, book. It's name of thing. Whenever we have some object, it always has their own name, which is noun for that, or everyone know that thing by its names. It can be a place, it can be an object, or it can be a person or things, so on. This is all information about the definition of noun and noun, what noun is. If you wanna take a note, you can have it. And now let's go ahead and study more. Okay, that was the definition of noun. Now we are talking about the what? Terms of noun. Okay. We have 5 terms for a noun or for the noun. The first one is we will study the kinds of it. The next one is the cases for it, gender, genders of noun, function, okay, functions of noun, and the last one is forms of noun. Can take note of it. These are the terms of a noun or noun. We will study each of it one by one after another. Let's start from the kinds of noun. Okay, I will bring it back. We will start first of all kinds of noun. Okay. We have two kinds of noun. The first one is common nouns. And the next one is, second one is proper nouns. And these are the two kinds of noun. The first one is common noun and the next one is proper. You will study what each of these are. Okay. I hope you have learned till now. And let's go on and continue. First of all, you have common noun. It has different kinds or types. The first one is collective noun. Collective noun. The next one is abstract noun. The third one is concrete noun. And the fourth one is material noun. The last one is compound noun. We are going to study each of these and what they are, how we will know them, all the information about these, we will know that. I take note of it. Okay. First of all, let's study what is a common noun. Okay. A common noun is a name given in common or to every person, place, or thing of the same kind. No, okay. A common noun is a name given. Given means a name of. Okay, those things which are in common or to every person, place, or thing. A common noun is a name given in common or to every person, place, or thing. Whenever we are giving a name to every person, place, or thing, It means that's a common noun. Whenever we use a noun for everything in common of that kind, then we call it a common noun. You will know better with the example. For example, man. Okay, we have mankind. Whenever we are saying that a man, we know that we are talking about a man. That's a group of person. We know that with the name of man. The next one is, for example, teacher. The one who is teaching, we always call that a teacher. It is a common noun. We use it for each and every teacher. The teacher name is common for each teacher. Everyone has that name for himself. Everyone, okay? And okay, for example, the next one is student. Students are always the common. You have students in each house they are living. Okay, the name which is used in common, it is called what? Common noun. I hope you have understanding of this one. Take note of it if you need it. Okay, let's go ahead and now talk about the other kind, which is proper noun. A word which indicates a particular person, thing, or place. Before we were talking about what? Common things, place, people, and so on. Now we are talking about proper or particular. Whenever we are talking about specific things, people, or places, then we call it proper noun. It's not common, it's proper. It's called proper noun. Okay. Or a word which donates a specific person, thing, or place. A word which donates a specific, again means particular, or specific person, thing, or place. We call that what? A proper noun. A proper, okay, proper means opens, oven. Whenever someone has it, then it means it's there, or we can say that proper means own. Okay. Remember one thing more. Whenever always you are writing proper names, then you have to start them with the capital letter, not the smaller. Remember this, the rule or regulation. We have to always start a proper noun with capital letters, not small. We have to start them with the uppercase. We have to always start the proper name with the capital letter. For example, Afghanistan or English. Books or book. Ahmad. The first letter has to be always capital or in uppercase. Remember this rule. And now come to the examples of proper nouns. For instance, we can say Rashid Khan who is Afghan cricket player is famous. Okay, now the Rashid Khan is a proper noun. Everyone know him because of his legacy. Okay, I hope you have a good understanding of proper noun and common noun. The one we are using for common things is called common noun, and the one we are using for specific things or people or places, we call them as proper nouns. Okay, now we are going to talk about compound noun. Okay, first of all, we have to write the definition. A noun made of two or more nouns is called what? Compound noun. Okay, whenever we have the combination of two or more nouns, we call it as compound noun. Let me elaborate it for you guys. Whenever we have two or more noun, then we call it as compound noun. For instance, or example, I have hand, book. It's the combination of two nouns or names. Hand means hand and book means the papers. A handbook is the combination of two nouns working as one noun. It's a combination, therefore we call it compound noun. Okay, the next one is, for example, bus driver. It's a combination of bus and driver, but we call it as compound noun. Bus driver is one word now. Next one is bank teller. Teller and bank. They are two names. At school, student. Whenever we have combination of two or more than two names, then we call it as compound noun. You can take note of this if you need. Okay dears, this was today's lesson. In the next session we will talk about abstract noun. See you then.